Hi, this is Mrs. Schooling. I know that you all have a lot of upcoming research projects, and one of the most important decisions that you have to make when you do a research project is where you're going to work and where you're going to store your work. You have a lot of options. For instance, you could use your Google Drive. You could store your work on a flash drive. You can store your work in Edmodo. But today I want to talk to you about Office 365, which is something that is available to every student in the district and every teacher as well. So I'm going to just give you a quick basic tutorial of Office 365 and how to access it if you're one of our students. So first you're going to need to go to the internet and go to the Grand Prairie ISD page, and then we're going to go to Parents and Students, Office 365 for Students. Alright, in the top box you're going to put your ID number at gpisd.org, and you're going to leave the second box blank. So again, ID number at gpisd.org and leave the second box blank. Because I'm a teacher, mine is slightly different. And then you'll hit sign in. Alright, for username and password, your username is going to be your ID number. Your password is going to be that kind of complicated thing you use when you sign on to any computer in the building. The first two letters of your first name, the first one capitalized. The year you were born, the first two letters of your last name, the first one capitalized. And the day you were born, it must be 2 digits. So if your birthday is the 19th, 19, but if your birthday is the 9th, it would make it 09. So first two letters of your first name, the year you were born, first two letters of your last name, and the day of the month that you were born. So let me log in and show you what it looks like. Alright, the first time you log into your Office 365, you're going to have some options, and things may take a little longer to load, and you can make some choices then, and I apologize for all of these emails popping up. Okay, so we're going to go into, today we're going to look at your OneDrive. So OneDrive looks a little bit like this. These are current folders and files that I already have, and they're stored in the cloud. If I wanted to add a new file or folder, I would do it here. If I wanted to upload a new file or folder from, say, my desktop, I would do it here. Another thing I want to show you really quickly is if you don't like this view, you can change your view by clicking here. So notice I just currently have a list of my files and folders, but if I click here, it'll change them into pictures of files and folders. But I like this view better, whichever one you prefer working with. And basically, if you want to upload a file, it's just like any other thing you upload. You would upload, you would select whether it was a file or a folder. You would find that file or folder and click open, and then it would be added to your OneDrive list. I'm not going to do that right now. Or you can start a new document and work inside of OneDrive for your entire paper. So if I want to do a new Word document, I would click here. And one of the benefits of working inside OneDrive is that it continually saves for me. And I can access this document from any computer that has the internet. So I may be on computer A on Monday, and when I come in on Tuesday, I may be on computer B, but my work is in the cloud and I can pull it from OneDrive, and it doesn't matter which computer I'm on. So this is a great place to work. So this is all automatically saved as you go in your OneDrive, and it's just a really good way to store and save your work as you do a research paper. If you have any questions, come and see me. I think one of the things that people have the most trouble with is their login. So remember, the first box is your ID number. The second box is going to be that complicated combination you use to log on the computer. So it would be your first name, the year you were born. You're not falling for this, I'm sure. Your last name, and the day of the month that you were born. So something like that. And that's really all you need to know to log into OneDrive. It's a good place to work. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be happy to help you.